Hey folks, it's time to do today's CSS battle. What will it be? What will it... Well, isn't that cute? That's pretty cute. Okay, so what is this shape and how do we do it? Feels like it's a classic element. Let's see. I'm speechless. I'm surprised that we've never seen this shape. I don't think there are any that are quite like it. I mean, it's the classic, like the Ghostbusters or the do not object. So to do this, we want margins, we want a height, we know we need it to be a circle, I think it's a perfect circle. And then aspect, what do we need? We need radial border radius of 50%. Okay, and I think it's a border 10 pixels solid red, and then just for argument's sake, let's do a display flex and center things. We will just do that temporarily. Justify content center, align items, center. Okay, so we will put we'll put the yellow background on the inside, and we'll use the official red that we've got there and see if that's going to get it done. So our height is currently 100, and is that too big? 50, 40, 30. That can't be right, can it? Oh, I see. So it's 30. Oh, okay, and then the margins. We don't need those margins right now. We will need them later. Okay, that's what I was doing wrong. I had those margins on, and that was screwing things up a little bit. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. So we got to be bigger. It's interesting that 140. Is it 150? I guess it's an even 150. That ought to have been what I could have done to start with. All right. So now let's undo flex. And I don't think we need the flex. What we need is margins. And if it's 150, then it's probably 50. And 100. 50 or 75 rather. Is that correct? No, it's not correct. 50, 75. Too low, right? Oh, because we need to adjust 10, 20, 22. How about 70? Oh, I see. I'm doing the math wrong because I got 150 and 100. So it's 250. So this would be 25 roughly. And then that makes this 50, 60, 65. Boy, really having trouble getting that right because I'm underestimating the difficulty of the margins, of the complexity of the margins. So how do we do that? One way to do that is to hide the border radius. Then it becomes a little easier to see how it's askew. That's the difficulty that I'm getting there. So yeah, so 65, 66, 67. Now I can put the border radius back on and it's visible. So again, a lot of I think a lot of what human beings can see and can't see is about, how well their eyes work. And I think against curves, checking the alignment of curves is just, or I'm certainly not as good at that as I ought to be, or that I wish I was. Okay, so we're going to do, actually we're going to do transparent, and then red is a linear gradient, cut and dried. And that's the background, and what are we missing? How come we can't see it? Oh, because it's degrees, that's the thing. So 110, 50, minus 50, minus 60, minus 30. How about 10%? 0. 80%. 0. Okay, 20, 30, 70. Okay. How about 40, 35, 36, 37, 38. And then 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62. Close. How about a 0.5? That's the one. Okay. 5, 6, 7. 7.5. There we go. And then how about 0.2? Let's submit that. Yeah, great fun shape. And as a reminder, you could, so that's great. You can put text in there. Hello world. Here's some text. Here's a message. Right, there's nothing precluding you from doing that. Does the text align work in here? I kind of don't trust that it's a real CSS environment, but yeah, that's align. So, and what if I did a display? What if I did display flex? And then align items center, justify content center, and there it is. That's a thing you could do. Oh, and then that diff is pretty cute. I haven't really used paragraph items in or text in any solutions, like the actual text. But there's nothing stopping you from doing that. You could do lines of text and have it work. So fun. All right, let's get rid of this nonsense, fun as it is, and clean this up. And then we minify and unit replace. All done. Resubmit. And that's super fun. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make some HTML and web stuff. The web is amazing. Web pages are fun. CSS is great. And that's all I got to say today. Have a great weekend. Bye.